Alright guys, so I need to do something to my head. My kids got a game tomorrow and I've been having my hair all up in this bonnet for the last couple of weeks, probably a whole month or so, but because I ain't been wanting to do it. My hair is so nappy and everything, so I'm gonna just go ahead and take off this. As you can see, I started out parting it because I want to put in my clip-ins, and then I just got lazy and stopped and put the bonnet back on. But we can already go ahead and start with my little part I got going on. I'm gonna take my glasses off. I can't even see. I'm just gonna part and go. And when I tell y'all I can't see guys. So I'm gonna be using my viewfinder on the camera to help me. But I just watered it down, and as you can see, postpartum is really kicking. Look at my edges going further back. So I'm hoping I can get that back sooner rather than later. Oh my gosh, my hair is so nappy. Somebody help me. A little water. Oh my gosh, I'm not trying to pull my hair out. So we're gonna tangle it like this. Whew. Lord. Probably gonna make big braids because your girl ain't trying to be sitting here. Alright, I'm back. You see my husband back there with the little baby. But guys, when I started braiding, look how much hair has really gone. Like, it's really showing it now, and I'm so bald. It's crazy. Oh my gosh, just feeling my scalp is just crazy. But anyways, this is how my hair looks. I told you it wasn't nothing fancy, but let me just go ahead and show you. I put in a little ponytail in the back, and I braided it just going back. And I left this alone. I didn't put nothing on here, no water, no nothing. It's dry, nothing's on it because I'm flat on it, so I don't want all the products on it. But I did, like I was saying before, put some of my braids, water and some leave-in. So now we get to the good part, the fun part, is putting this in. Now I'm thinking about just doing it in the morning because I don't feel like flat on this part, but I could just put this in and then flat. Oh, it smells good. Oh, it smells good. But anywho, so I got clips that have 3 clips, and I have clips that have 2, and I have clips that have 1, right? So I always put my 3s in the back. At least 1 3 in the back. So that's what I'm gonna do now. You leaving? Oh. So I'm gonna shut this door. Alright, so I got these. Put this in the back. And guys, this is just what I do. I don't like measure or nothing, especially when I'm in a hurry. It's late and I'm kind of hungry and want something to eat. So I'm just gonna try to hurry up and put this in, but that's all I did. Yes. So that's 1. I might do, let me see how many 3s I got. 1, 2, because I like to leave 1 like up here, do a 3 up there, or do 2 and 2, just depends. So here's another 3. So let me put this 3 in. I think I got like 12 clip-in pieces. I don't know, but I do in the back, and then I start up here on my 2nd clip all the time. So, and I can always adjust them if they don't fit to my liking the first go round. But okay, that's 2. And here's another 3 I might put on this side because it didn't go all the way around. So that's 1, 2. This is my 3rd clip, and it's 3 clips on here. And when I go on this side, I'm gonna start from the front, work my way back. My husband's in there watching history. I said, I'm about to go do my hair. I ain't about to watch no history. Oh, I don't watch that, boy. I didn't even like it in school. So that's that. I have 2 more 3s. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. But here's another 3 I got. So I'm unclipping them. So when I wash them, I clip them just so the hair don't get stuck in there when I'm washing it. And then now I'm clipping them to put them in my hair. So here's again. Clipping again. I'm making my way to the top pretty quick, so I'll just fill in the back if I have some left over, because I want to use all my clips. So here's another 3. This one's shorter, but we can still make it. I think so, like this. Yeah, I can't even see. I took my glasses off. Can't even see. Oof. Oof. And then this one right here. There we go. So you see how that looks? Let's make it all the way up. Feels like I just got a sew in or something. When I'm clipping them in. Okay. Now I already got my 3s done. All my 3 clip-ins. I know I said I was gonna leave 3 clip track in. I don't know how to explain it, but I know I said I was gonna leave my longest tracks for the front, but I like the 2s in the front because you can maneuver it around like how you want it. So is that even the right word to say? Maneuver? You can move it around how you want. I don't want to go too high, but if I have to fill in, like I said before, I will. Here's another one. Always when you clip, put your clips in, start from the front, going back when you put them in. As you can see, that's what I'm doing. Because you can always go back and fill in if something is showing in the back. Like right now I have a space right here, and so what I can do is my last 3, yes, my last 3, I can put it right there so it won't show nothing in the middle, or I won't have an indent. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So I'll make sure the middle clip is in the middle where it won't be seen, and then I'll clip the sides. Remember, y'all, I ain't got no contacts in or glasses on right now. I'm trying to look cute doing this. No, I need my stuff on, but okay, so that's how that's looking now. I'm gonna go ahead and start and go backwards. So I'm gonna do the track right here, and then right here, right? So it looks good, right? But I'm gonna flip it over and fill in. So here's my other track I'm about to do on the other side. So like I said, start from the front, right there, and then it should reach back there. Oops. Right? That look good? Yep. And then I'm trying to think. Sometimes I leave it left over for, see, I don't know how it's gonna look when I straighten it, if it's gonna be like poofy than hair, or I wanna mix in. Usually I do wanna mix in, so, cause my lip out will be really, really thin. So I'll straighten this in the morning, and then I'll part it in the middle, then put 2 into, so I'm gonna leave these 2 out for when I do that. Now I have these ones. Right, so you see these ones. I'm gonna go back where I had space. Y'all seen it earlier, and this is what I do all the time. I just want to talk through it and actually show you what I'll be doing. So I have space right there, and I have 4 of these, so I put 2 and 2. So you can see me do it, and that's how I put my tracks in. I don't care really where it goes, but I know I want one in the front, like right there. There, and this other one in the back, fitting in the back somewhere right here. Y'all, I can't see it come out. I think this is good right here. Is that good? Yep. So flip it back and bam, there you go. And then I'm gonna do this side. And if it's like too thick for you, you can always take these out. That's why I like to do these last, because I might not like it. I don't even know if I'm putting it on. I'm just clipping it in. So yeah. So, and voila. That's that's how you do it. So my next thing will be to the next thing I'll do is straighten in the morning, so you'll see me tomorrow before we get ready for the kids game. So yeah, I'll be back. All right guys, I'm back. So you see my bonnet, I had my band on to keep the bonnet on because I knew it was gonna slip off last night. So I just went ahead and put this band on there to keep it down because I sleep wild. But let me go ahead and take it off and let's work with this hair. So it's looking good. I have to put my contacts in so I can see. But this is what we're working with. Okay, girl, okay. So I already got my straightener on. It's an old straightener my sister gave me. I have not bought a new one. I'm cheap like that. If it works, I'm gonna keep it. Ain't gonna buy nothing new. Besides some her maybe, but I'm putting on 400. I don't know if that's good or not, but I'm gonna put it on 400. I'm gonna get my hair protectant. This one right here. Silk Elements. And remember I had these two. So one's gonna go in here and one's gonna go over here. So but we're gonna see how it looks straightened. So let's get to it. Alright, we're done with that. I'm gonna put that down on the floor. Okay. Whew. So it feels so much better. But I'm not gonna put no more heat protectant on there. I'm gonna leave it like it is. Okay, so now it's time to straighten my hair. Gotta hurry up. The kids got a game today. So excited to see them play. So I'm doing little by little. Nothing too fancy. Alright, so this is what I'm working with. Gotta cover that in the back.